Do you want to know how to deactivate Instagram account? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So you have to open your Instagram and click on your profile. After that, click on the menu bar and select settings and privacy. After that, click on account center and select personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control and select deactivation. Now you have to select your account. So currently I have only one account, that's why it's showing here. Click on it. So now there are two options, one is deactivation and the other one is delete. So deactivation will temporarily deactivate your account and the second one will delete your account permanently and select continue. After that you have to put your account password and your account will be deactivated. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we do love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.